If you're looking for a new way to help make your wig more comfortable and secure, try using adhesive. In this video, we'll show you how to apply and remove adhesives from both your lace front and double monotop wigs. To apply adhesive to your lace front, use blue liner adhesive strips. This type of adhesive is used specifically for lace front materials and comes in either a roll or in pre-cut strips. Clean your lace front using a small amount of lace let go on a clean paper towel. Be sure your lace front is free and clear of any makeup and oils. Also, be sure to clean the skin along the hairline where you plan to apply the adhesive. Use sharp scissors to cut 2 small pieces of tape. Start by using a small amount and use more or less as needed. Apply the adhesive to the lace front, firmly pressing, being careful not to damage the lace. Remove the backing and carefully put your wig on. Use the ear tabs to adjust the placement. Be sure the wig is placed exactly where you want it before you press down on the adhesive points. Once the wig is in place, gently press and hold to secure adhesive. Now your wig is secure and ready to wear. To apply adhesive to an area with polyurethane, you want to do the same prep by cleaning the base and your skin with lace let go. For this method, you will want to only use white or red liner adhesives. Use sharp scissors to cut 2 small pieces of tape. Start by using a small amount and use more or less as needed. Apply the adhesive to the polyurethane strip, pressing firmly. Remove the backing from the adhesive and carefully put your wig on. Use the ear tabs to adjust the placement. Once the wig is in place, gently press and hold to secure adhesive. Be sure the wig is exactly where you want it before you press down on the adhesive points. Now your wig is secure and ready to wear. Mist 4 to 5 pumps of lace let go onto a cotton swab. Gently lift the outer edge of the lace front or polyurethane front and roll the cotton swab underneath, allowing the lace let go to release the adhesive from the skin. Take your time and be sure it has completely released before removing your wig. Remove the adhesive from the base material and discard. Use your clean towel and apply some lace let go, gently wiping the areas where adhesive was applied. You will use the same technique when removing your double monotop wig. To view more videos like this one, click on our how-to playlist and subscribe to our channel.